Hello loves, this is Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious, easy and authentic chicken pepper soup. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share. So here I have my local spices. This is called control onions. Okay, then this is called Calabash nutmeg. I'll be taking out the shell. All right, then here I have this. It's called orima seed. So these are local spices. Then I have here jansa seed. Then here is the fresh uziza seed, okay, the fresh one. That is what we are going to be using for this recipe, guys. So this is how it looks like. So once it's dried, it turns black. Then this is our ground Cameroon pepper. Then we also have fresh pepper here. Then our onions, okay. So here are what we're going to be using. Then for the spices, we are going to grind them all together. This is the vegetables we'll be using. We have uziza leaves, utazi leaves, and scent leaves, also known as nchwanwu in Igbo language. We're going to pick these leaves, then wash and shred. So this is our chicken. Add your blended or grated onions. Make sure you wash your chicken thoroughly, okay. Then add some salt, add some seasoning cubes, then some ground Cameroon pepper. Give it a good mix. Apply heat and cover and leave to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, add your ground local spices, ground crayfish, blended fresh pepper, some seasoning cubes, then add water enough to cook your pepper soup. Give it a good mix, cover and leave to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. So this is our pepper soup after 10 minutes. Then add your washed and shredded vegetables. Guys, this recipe is so easy to prepare. Give it a very good mix. Cover and leave for 3 minutes. As you guys can see, our delicious, easy and authentic chicken pepper soup is almost ready. Guys, you're going to love this chicken pepper soup recipe. If you don't like chicken pepper soup, you're going to love this. Like, those local spices took it to another level of taste and flavor, and I know you are going to love it. Please make sure you try this out, and I'll be leaving the ingredients in the description below so you guys can try it out and enjoy with your family. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.